Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you have an opportunity to create and connect with an understanding that when we are hurt by others, we have an opportunity to grow and expand and heal. And so in this meditation, you will connect with, you'll be guided to connect with someone who may have hurt you and acknowledge this person. Express your hurts and then release them. Thank them. And become aware of what it is you may need to see about yourself. Let's jump into our meditation. Light a candle, find your favorite relaxing music. We trust that this meditation unfolds for our highest good and the highest good of all those in our lives. And when you feel ready, turn your outer gaze inward to your breath. Take several deep cleansing breaths, all the way deep into your heart. And we say thank you for this opportunity to connect in this way, to connect with our inner world, to connect with self-love, to connect with our divinity, to connect with our higher power, to connect with this present moment. And we bring ourselves into this present moment and ask to be guided for our highest good. We trust this beautiful unfolding of spirits in this moment. And may this meditation bring feelings of peace, ease, joy, health, and healing. We feel our solid and strong connection to the earth. We breathe with the earth, inhaling and exhaling, giving and receiving with our beautiful earth. Our earth is alive, and we breathe this life-giving energy from the center of Mother Earth through her layers into our own root of connection, into our bones, and our body connects with the body of the earth. We come from the earth, and one day we will return to the earth. We are earth. We are spirits. We say thank you for this connection, this knowing, and this sense of belonging here. We bring our awareness to our crown, to this golden light that streams from above. And we keep bringing our gaze up and up and up to source energy, to the sky, to this blue, beautiful blue sky, this dark night, the stars shining. To the whole universe, we feel the power of the universe moving through us. We feel the rays of the sun shining down upon us and through us. We breathe with this source energy. We bring earth and sky into us, into our bodies, into remembering. Remembering that we are both spirit and matter. Remembering that we are both physical and non-physical. Remembering that we are both human and divine. And we take this opportunity to connect more deeply with our own divinity and our own wisdom. As you inhale deeply, feel the front and the back and the sides of your body expanding. Our breath is not only in our belly, our breath is also in our back, in our sides, up and down. Can you breathe with such focused awareness that you notice yourself breathing in equal measure, front, back, side, side, up and down? And we visualize this beautiful cocoon of our own breath, earth and sky energy combined, filling us and expanding around us into a beautiful bubble. In this bubble, we feel gratitude. We feel gratitude for everything that life brings us. We feel gratitude for this moment. We feel gratitude for our hands, our feet, our ears, our eyes. We feel gratitude for our feet, the ground, the earth. We feel gratitude for our hearts that beat so strongly. We feel gratitude for our connections with others, friends and family. Everyone and everything is a teacher. And we say thank you for the opportunity to learn. Everyone and everything is a teacher. Are we willing and open to receive learning and knowing and understanding from others and through others? It is only through others that we can access our areas of improvement. It is only through others that we can see the areas in which we need to grow and change and evolve. And when someone hurts us, we can say, thank you. I'm hurt. I get to learn. I get to hold myself tenderly. I get to mother myself. I get to see what this hurt is and unpack this hurt. We say thank you to this person who hurt us. We hold nothing against people who hurt us, for it is out of their own wounding that they hurt others. We see this, we know this so clearly. And when someone hurts us, we turn inward. We might retreat to our journals, to a trusted friend or confidant. We might turn to meditation, quiet our minds to receive deep wisdom. Maybe there's someone who has hurt you. Maybe they're unaware that they hurt you, or maybe they hurt you intentionally, or maybe you realize that it was out of their own wounding that they caused you pain. Bring this person to mind. In your mind's eye, see yourself and see this person. Here is you, strong, connected, rooted, beautiful, shining so bright in your beautiful bubble. And see this person. What do they look like? How do you see them? How do you perceive them? Can you, in your mind's eye, say to them, "You've hurt me"? Can you, in your mind's eye, hear yourself saying, "I don't hold you responsible. I release you. I let you go. I hold no ill will toward you. I say thank you. Thank you for being the spark that I needed. Thank you for being the flame that I needed to see something about me." What else do you wish to tell this person? In your mind's eye, take a moment to talk to this person, to say what you need to say, feeling yourself full of love and compassion. We realize and recognize that we are all children of God. We are all learning and growing. We will all make mistakes. We are all worthy. Thank this person again and allow them to move on. Come back to your bubble, your breath moving in all directions as you inhale. We trust the divine unfolding of this life. I know that all is unfolding for our highest good. We choose this path of healing. We choose this path of self-love. We choose this path of continued exploration of our inside. And we say thank you. And we take a deep breath and come back to where we are in this moment. in this chair, in this room, in this home, in this space. Wherever it is you are, come back. And gently open your eyes. And find your way toward your journal to let your words of wisdom flow through you onto your paper. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself time to write and explore your inner world, to allow what is unseen to be seen, to allow what is unconscious to become conscious. Enjoy this time in relationship with yourself. It's not frequently that we have this opportunity. So savor it, enjoy it with a cup of tea, some soft music. Thank you so much for being here.